can office spaces become more sustainable? At Sunon, we believe sustainability begins with adaptability. True sustainability lies in safeguarding nature and respecting humanity. With this in mind, we have shaped our solution. For sustainable development, our design answers to every need. A space can be fixed, but demands keep evolving. We break limitations with modular design. It adjusts automatically to match your rhythm and bring you comfort, endowing a fixed space with boundless potential. A space can be static, but experience can be continuously elevated. We create a truly human-centered office experience through intelligence. A space can remain unchanged, but beauty can keep blooming, inspired by the hues of mountains, rivers, lakes, and seas. We create a calm and refined office aesthetic. Natural eco-friendly materials ensure a healthy and fresh environment. Durable weather-resistant techniques keep colors as vibrant as new for a decade. Let the office become a natural healing haven in the city. It witnesses your start and accompanies your growth. This is the true meaning of sustainable workspace.